the circumstances, personal circumstances, are not sufficiently compelling to come to any different. In the result, on count one, the murder of Rudy van der Gaal was sentenced to life in prison. On count two, the murder of Martin van der Gaal was sentenced to life. On count three, the murder of Therese van der Gaal was sentenced to life in prison. For the attempted murder of Mali van der Gaal was sentenced to 15 years in prison. On count five, obstructing the course of justice, the administration of justice, Cyril Koutrachi, was sentenced to 12 months in prison. In terms of section 1031 of Act 60 of 2000, a person is ex-lege against operational law automatically declared unfit to possess a firearm. The court declines to determine otherwise. In other words, we get unfit to possess a firearm. I'd like to thank the council for the